In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Netlify project. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect when you permanently remove a project from your Netlify account. First, go to Netlify and sign in so you're looking at your main dashboard. This is where your team workspace and all your projects live. Before you begin, make sure you truly want to delete the project. Deletion is permanent and will remove the project and its associated resources. So if there's anything you want to keep, like build settings, environment variables, or deploy files, export or note those now. From the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Projects. This takes you to a list of everything in your team. If you manage more than one team, confirm you're in the correct workspace before proceeding so you don't delete the wrong thing. On the Projects page, use the search box to find the project by name. Start typing and Netlify will filter the list in real time. Double check the project title and, if helpful, glance at any identifying details so you're confident you've got the right one. Once you've found it, click the project to open its overview. This page shows recent deploys and settings, but we're heading straight to configuration. Inside the project, navigate to Project Configuration. Depending on your layout, you'll see it in the sidebar or top navigation. This is where all the core settings are grouped, including the control to delete the project. In the General or Similar section, scroll down until you find Delete this project. Pause here and read the warning text. Deleting a project is irreversible. It removes the project itself along with connected sites, deploy history, environment variables, logs, and related hooks. If you're using a custom domain or DNS elsewhere, those records won't be managed by this project after deletion, and any visitors may begin seeing errors once the project is gone. When you're ready, confirm the deletion by typing the exact project name in the confirmation box. Type it carefully, including any dashes, capitalization, or spaces, because Netlify uses this to ensure you're deleting the correct project. Finally, click Delete to complete the process. Netlify will remove the project and return you to the projects list. It may take a moment for everything to disappear from your view, and any cached previews may linger briefly, but the project is now permanently deleted. If your goal was only to stop deploys or detach a repository, consider pausing deploys or disconnecting the Git provider instead of deleting. Otherwise, that's it. You've successfully deleted a Netlify project.